Hi guys, it's Will, CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. I've just had another call from a scammer and I like to scam these guys, so more after this. Hi guys, Will, CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. As I was just saying, I've had a scam call today. Now, most of these can't get through to me, but when they ring my business number, they can get through to me. And so this guy phones up, well, this lady phones up first, and I kind of blagged her to tell her that I had a Linux machine, which completely confused her somewhat because they only tend to be able to scam PCs on Macs. Just because they don't know what they're doing with Linux. Now, basically, I like to do these calls, and because I like to find out what new technologies, if that's what you can call it, the scammers are using, so then I can warn my friends, family, clients, or your friends, family, clients, and then you can share this video and let them know about it, especially if they're elderly, because unfortunately they're a bit more vulnerable and a bit more susceptible to believe that the lies that these scammers are giving them. The one today was apparently from BT. We're not with BT, we're a utility warehouse, and I know full well there is nothing wrong with my broadband. I know that foreign attackers are not trying to attack us. Okay, now so basically what I thought I'd do is I would try and let them log into a virtual machine that I've got running. Unfortunately, I could not get it running. Obviously I wasn't expecting the call, so in the end I just decided to tell him that I was struggling to let him connect into my machine. I kept him on the phone for about 15 minutes, wound him up a little bit, and then told him what I already knew, and the fact that he'd called an IT company. You'll tell that much later in the video, so by all means skip forward to the video. I'll put a link at the bottom here where where I blag them is, because it's quite a long video and it might be boring. I apologise for that. So watch and learn and enjoy, and I will see you all very, very soon. So that's Will, CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. Have yourself a wonderful day, and here comes the video.
Now, beside the open, you can type C as in Charlie,
C Charlie, yeah.
M as in Mother,
Yeah.
D as in David,
Yep.
CMD, and just below that there's options OK. Try to press OK.
Yep. A little black screen's popped up.
Right. Now, in the black command box, you can check your networking status and the performance of your internet, that is working fine or not, or anyone else who's connected to your network.
Right.
Now, if you look the last line, can you see the cursor is blinking over there?
Yep.
While you type it over there, then that it should be NET STAT.
Yep.
That stat is the short form of network status. It will show you your network status and the performance of your internet, that is working fine or not. And now you can press the enter. Press the enter button from your keyboard.
So just NETSTAT.
Yep.
Yeah, I've got a lot.
Just showing your network.
Yeah, I've just got a lot of information.
Right. If you look on the top of the screen, the headings are say active connections. Can you see that?
Yes.
And the headings are proto, local address, foreign address, and the state. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, the local address, as you can see over there, this is all your IP addresses. This is all your numbers over there on the local address list.
Right.
And the foreign address, you can see over there. Can you see there is some numbers over there below the foreign addresses? Like beside the username or beside your PC name.
Yeah.
The numbers, as you can see over there on the foreign addresses, this is the unauthorized people, unknown people who are connected to your network at the moment. That's the main reason we have to call you to make you aware to install the security. So, let me know when you use your computer or when you use your any devices, do you face any problem with that? Like the internet is no sometime, or you will got any kind of advertisement come up, anything like that?
I don't know.
I don't know that. over there.
Established.
Established. All established over there?
Yes.
Established is the people who are successfully established on your network. Or do you see any tied weight or close weight? Or all established?
Established.
All established. Okay, I'll let you know how you can upgrade the security from the network. Can you press the Windows and R once again, as you did before?
Yeah.
And you will see a box come up, I believe.
Yeah.
Now the box, something is written beside the open, or is empty at the moment.
It says CMD.
Erase that, make it empty, make it red.
Okay.
And try to type it over there, www.
Yeah.
And type BT, B for Bravo, T for Tango, BT.
Yeah.
Then type network, it's NETWORK.
Yeah.
Network.
Yeah.
Then type security, SECURITY,
Yeah.
security. And then put a dot.
Yeah.
Then type W for whiskey,
Yeah.
E for echo,
Yeah.
E for echo again,
Yeah.
B for Bravo,
Yeah.
L for Lima, Y for Yankee,
Yeah.
then put a dot,
Yeah.
and then type COM, COM,
Okay.
and then press OK. Now let's press OK, let you know what do you got.
Okay. I have got BT help and support. We'll send you a mini hub to get you back online if your broadband stops working.
Now if you scroll down the page a little bit, can you see it says click here to join with BT?
Yeah.
Options over there.
Yeah.
Click on the first one, it says BT security. You see?
Yeah.
You have to click on that for the BT security. Now when you click on that, do you see any options come up like a run, save, cancel, anything like that?
Yeah. It's downloading something.
It's downloading.
Yeah.
Do you see any options? It's still downloading, or it will give any options called run, save?
It's downloaded.
It's completed. Try to double click that one. The edit stage.
Okay.
Now it will give options called run, open.
I've got it open.
Now press open.
Yeah.
Now when you press open, let me know what do you got.
I see this desk and remote desk.
Okay, if you look at the top, at the very top, can you see this new connection? And just below the new connection, it says enter the remote desk ID or else. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Click on that, which says enter the ID in the search panel, and you click on that. And try to type it over there, 990
Yeah.
862
Yeah.
292.
Okay.
And then press enter.
What's this doing? Sorry.
Now, once you press enter, sorry, go ahead.
What is this doing?
Anydex is the software which will help you to install the security from your network. So as we are connected to the security department from your network, as you can see by your end, that all these 490 addresses are connected to your network at the moment. So we have to upgrading the security from your network. Now once you click on that, you will got options come up. It says BT Secure Server. Do you see any options come up?
I'm seeing connecting.
Still connecting.
It says
Now,
please.
shortly we'll got,
It says please wait for the remote side to accept your session request.
shortly we'll got options come up BT cyber security, and these options come up accept. Try to press accept. any options come up, BT server security accept.
Right.
Once you press accept, it will give options called install or yes, anything like that.
It keeps going back to connecting.
Still connecting. I believe did you press accept?
Yeah, but it keeps disappearing.
Oh, so you cannot click on accept? It's not working with it.
No, every time I try and press anything, it just disappears.
Okay, try to do it quickly or try to press accept. Do you see the options? Accept or yes?
I can see them, but they just keep disappearing.
Okay, now what do you got on the screen at the moment?
It just keeps going back to connecting.
Still connecting. So you cannot see any options accept?
No, it just keeps disappearing.
Okay. Or do you see any options over there? Okay, yes.
No, it just keeps going back to connecting. It's there and then it disconnects.
Okay. And you cannot see any options over there?
No.
Despite BT server security accept. Try to press accept. As the network is not secure at the moment, so first of all we have to connect it to our BT server security. So we have to upgrade the security from a network as your network is not working properly. And if you don't mind, can I ask you how old of this computer?
About 4 years, I think.
4 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And as you told me that 6 devices is connected to your network at the moment, right?
Sorry, say that again.
I believe, as you told me that the 6 devices is connected to your internet,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyone your family members who are also using the internet apart from you?
Well, yes.
Okay. So as I told you that when you use your computer, do you face any problem with that, like the internet is slow sometime, or even got any kind of advertisement come up, anything like that?
No.
No. Okay. So now let me know what do you got on the screen at the moment.
Well, that thing just kept saying connecting, so I closed the program because it wasn't doing anything.
Okay. Now you cannot see the options for accept.
I've closed it because it just kept going connecting.
So can you open that one once again?
I don't see the point because it's just going to keep doing the same thing.
Okay. So exactly you cannot see your normal screen at the moment.
Sorry, what do you mean?
Can you go to the BT server security page once again?
Right, hang on. Okay, yeah.
Now can you check it? Do you see the options over there that says download BT server security download file? Try to click on that.
That's the same program.
And yes. You can check the download folder. That program is also downloading on your download page.
I've still got the program though.
Open that one.
Yeah. Okay.
Now once you open it, now do you see any options come up?
I just
Accept or allow, friend, accept.
I've not got. It comes up, but then it goes back to connecting.
First you have to press accept.
No, I know, but as soon as I try and move my mouse near accept, it just goes connecting.
When you use your mouse, it says connecting, but it's not accepting.
Yes.
Okay. Let me check from our server. Okay, can you see the same number, I believe?
Sorry?
You can see the same numbers over there.
No. I've not really got time to do this, I'm afraid.
Give me, this is 2 minutes now. Now you have to press accept first.
It won't let me.
Yeah, but what do you got on the screen at the moment?
I've just got my black screen with the net stat on there, which is showing the 127 loopback address.
Right. The foreign addresses, you can see they're still connected to your network.
Yeah.
So we have to connect it to our security department, and it is the software which is
Yeah, but the local addresses, which is 127.0.0.1, is a loopback address, which means it's my own computer.
Yes, it's a computer address.
Yeah, and all these foreign addresses are local folders and computers within my network and my system. Yeah.
Sorry, but tell us again.
All of these local hosts are files, well not files, sorry, systems and devices on my network, which I know about each and every one of them.
Right. The foreign addresses, as you can see over there, there's some numbers like beside the username or beside your PC name.
It's the port number. It's the port number.
Sorry, what number?
The port. P-O-R-T, port.
The code number.
Port, as in Papa, Oscar, Romeo, Tango. It's the port address. No, not phone number. Port.
It's port. P-O-R-T.
I'll just let you know that you've called an IT company, and I know exactly what you're trying to do, and it's not going to work. But at least I've wasted enough of your time to stop you scamming someone else. Thank you very much. Hi guys, it's Will from CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. I've just had a call from a scammer, well, a little bit earlier today, and I like to play with these guys. Oh, definitely not.